Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off hiding profanity filter in live caption feature in Motorola Edge 15 phone. So where to look for this option and how to change it. First of all, we need to access settings. Then in settings we need to go to sound and vibration. Next we need to scroll all the way down this list until we see live caption menu. And here is our profanity filter option. So right now we have hide profanity filter enabled. To disable hiding profanity filter, we need to tap it once. It's an on or off switch. And that's basically it. We can close our menu. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.